Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you are back for another one. Okay, and today, as you can see, the wig's already installed. So what we're getting into today is a loose wave look and like how to do loose waves on a wig. So I'm gonna put up some pictures of what I'm going for and show you how easy it really is to attain, to get, whatever. You get what I'm saying. So yeah, this is the same hair I had on in my last videos from Luvme hair. If you want all the details and how I feel about it, how it's working, blah blah blah, in the quartz. But yeah, let's get into it. So like I said, it's currently getting melted down, so we're gonna just get it done. So I have my flat iron here, which, hold on, let me clip this away. Have my flat iron here, Nano Titanium Baby Bliss. It's on 410. I don't know if it necessarily has to be that hot, but that's just how hot I have it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna brush out this section. I'm gonna split this section into two probably. I don't think I think I'm gonna use a smaller piece. And we're just gonna get to curling. Or waving. So for this effect, right, we need the ends to be straight and then, like, you know, waves. So first thing I like to do is just go in and straighten it, obviously, because we want straight ends. And right now I got a little bit of wave in my head, or in the ends anyway. And then I like to go in and you just twist like so, and then you drop it. So right now we have this little bit of curl, nothing too major, right? And then we're gonna go in a little lower, twist, leave the ends free, right? And then drop it. So we got a little bit of curl, straight ends. That's the look, that's what we're going for. So we're gonna keep doing that until we get to the end. Okay, take a section, brush it, period. You just go get it straight on the ends. Twist. Twist. And it's just like wavy. I don't know if you can fully see it, but it's like wavy with the straight end. Basically, that's what we're going for. So let's keep going. And for this one, we're just gonna twist once, just to have some variety, right? So we got one curl with a straight end. The bottom ones have two. We're just mixing them up. It's supposed to be like messy and loose. You know what I mean? Like not look like we curled it for real. Straight ends. We gonna go back with it or whatever. Let it go. I might go front with this one. And then it goes. So it has a little bit of a curl wave to it or whatever. Section off the back. All right, here's the back piece. I'm gonna just go in. It's a big section too. We're just gonna go in, straighten her all the way down to the ends. And then go in with the curl. Twist backwards, let it drop. Here we have just flowy and messy curl. I keep saying curl, but you know what I mean, a loose wave. So when it comes to the front, you kind of want it to frame your face. So I'm gonna separate those two sections. We have this one, as you know, gotta get them ends straight. Then we're gonna go back in and I'm gonna twist this one this way instead of the other way, so we can get some face framing situations going on. I don't know if y'all are really getting this, but I'll give you a good, you know, view of it later. So yes, we're back at the front. Straight ends. Oh, really straighten the whole thing. Ooh. And just twist. Make sure them ends don't get clipped. Alright, so if you feel like it's too much, obviously if it's too much of a straight end, just go in a little closer to the end, but not touching the end, and twist it up. Just, you know, brush through it or whatever to really get your desired look. Alright y'all, this is the final look. As you can see, very loose and bouncy. Let's see, I don't know if my lighting is not helping. That's how you do the loose curl, straight ends thing. It obviously is going to drop and be a lot looser, a lot more chill if you are that type of girl. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, like, comment, and subscribe down below in the DMs, in the comments, and let me know how you feel about this little tutorial on these curls. All right, bye y'all.